Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been tracking this analysis on a routine basis here, so actually let me squeeze this over. But that's where these red and green line annotations here are coming into play. And overall, not a whole lot to update other than the fact of maybe some signs of weakness are showing up, but again, they're just signs, and there is no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So just because these dynamics have been, occurring that I'm about to talk about, doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed anything is about to happen. I'm just saying there are a couple of these little characteristics that you want to keep an eye on, and it makes sense, and it's a wise move to be paying attention to them. And the dynamic that's happened over the course of, recently is that you had these highs right here, and then you had a nice move upwards on not only one occasion, but second occasion right there, but got rejected. And then you had some more attempted movements back upwards and were once again rejected right there. Point here being you have lower highs that are being established. Now, just because you have lower highs doesn't mean that for sure the price is going downwards, but again, it's a rational thought to have. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But me personally, I would not be shocked to see the price, continue to push downwards here. But just because the price pushes downwards, and I've talked about this multiple times in past videos, from assuming you care about the big picture point of view, everything is still perfectly fine as long as the price stays above that green line at $1.15, which is, that level that keeps it at a higher base, right? So yeah, the price at its ups and downs, but at least all the ups and downs are happening at a higher location previously to where the price was, last down around that area. Now, if the price literally goes back to those lows, well, then not to insult your intelligence, but the price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, right? You want to see progress being made, and quote unquote progress in this situation is where that $1.15 mark is, kind of representing. So overall, we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, things are looking a little bit shaky here. So we'll see if the price ultimately does want to go down and revisit $1.15 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.